If you've ever wanted to build passive income online but don't want to deal with products, customers, or showing up live, this is for you. Automated webinars are one of the smartest ways to create consistent income online, even while you sleep. See, traditional webinars work great, but hosting them yourself, total headache. You've got slides, tech setup, and hours of live presenting. Not exactly passive, right? That's why John Thornhill created the Webinar Profit Engine, a done for you system that runs automated webinars for you. You get a complete setup, a ready made webinar funnel, 99 days of follow up emails, high ticket affiliate offers, and simple traffic training for beginners. You don't need an audience, a product, or any experience. Just plug into the system, send traffic, and let the automation do the work, earning you commissions around the clock. Click the link below to learn how to start building your own passive income stream with automated webinars today.